Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smartphone unboxings, reviews, and tech updates. If you're a Samsung or Android user, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your Android version from Android 15 to Android 16, and One UI from version 7 to One UI 8. Check current software version before upgrade. Before upgrading the OS, first check your current software details. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on About Phone. Now tap on Software Information. Here you can see that the phone is currently running on Android 15 with One UI 7. Now let's upgrade the phone. Go back to Settings, tap on Software Update, then tap on Download and Install. Tap on Install now. Downloading will start and it will take some time to complete it. After downloading, tap on Install now and it will start upgrading the software and phone will automatically restart. Once restart, check OS details in Setting, go to About Phone and tap on Software Information. After this update, your smartphone will feel smoother, faster, and more stable, with improved performance and new enhancements. In my next video, I will share a complete walkthrough of all the new features of One UI 8. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel.